Hey guys!
We've made it to New Zealand.
Yes, we're in Queenstown right now. We arrived last night, we flew in, and it's really funny, Nova just slept through the whole landing, even though it was the most beautiful landscape as we were coming in. She was just snoozing away, but we're here, we're super excited because we're actually about to go pick up Sarah, my sister.
Yeah, we are.
She's meeting us and we're gonna travel around New Zealand together, the South Island, the North Island, and
we
then
have 16 days together.
Yeah, and then we say goodbye because she's
staying here for a
year. So we're not going to talk about it though because I'll cry. I'm holding back tears already.
We'll wait till the last day.
But I'm excited to see her, and Nova's excited, and yeah, Nova's not feeling quite that well today, so we've been taking it easy. But hopefully she's on the mend and we can just keep exploring because it's so beautiful here.
So beautiful. But she has messaged us and we need to go pick her up and not leave her stranded.
Yeah.
So we'll catch up with you in a second.
Yeah. Hi. Look at me. Looking good.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh,
Are you tired?
It's like that travel heat.
Yes.
When you're just rushing, so you get overheated even though it's not actually that hot.
Especially because I almost missed my flight.
Oh, I know. The stress. Who's that?
Hi, sweet girl.
Yeah, the boat is going to be side on. There's a little bit of swell for a moment or two. So just,
You were out there for 2 seconds and then one way.
I've had it in hand ready for it.
Good morning. We have come to Milford Sound. So since we picked Sarah up, we drove a couple hours to where we were staying last night, and then we got on a chartered bus because that's the only way to get to Milford Sound. We're here eating some lunch and enjoying the views. I was out getting lots of video clips and we'll be doing some more photos after this, but just taking a second to fill up before we just go outside on the deck and admire the beauty that is Milford Sound.
The roads have been damaged by a storm or something, so we had to take a bus, which kind of worked out, although Nova didn't love it. Hey, you didn't love it. That was hard, but she's doing a little bit better on the boat because she can move around. Do you want a Cheerio?
Too bad we weren't able to drive ourselves out because that would have been a lot better with Nova and everything, but yeah, rains basically washed out tons of roads a few weeks back and they only just reopened them in time before we came on our trip, so we were very lucky to even be here right now, and this is one of the big attractions that we wanted to see coming to the South Island.
She's asleep at the dawn of the ride. She'll be awake on the way down.
Where are we now, guys? Sorry, Noah's asleep.
Skyline Luge in Queenstown. Yeah.
We are about to go on a Skyline Luge, which I'm not even going to try and explain it, but you'll see a few clips here. But Nova fell asleep just as we were getting on, and she's missing the view.
Yeah.
So she better be awake on the way down. at the end.
That was way more fun.
Hey!
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi, Bubba. Good afternoon. How was your nap?
See, I woke up the second you left.
Oh, your eyes are so big and beautiful.
How was it?
So fun.
It was fun. You went too?
Yeah. It's another beautiful day and we are in Wanaka. We stayed here last night, we arrived super late, and now we're going to check out the Wanaka Tree. It's very popular, very photographed, and it's basically a tree that's growing in the lake. So it's pretty cool, and Ayla and Sarah and Nova are all ahead of, and I'm just trying to catch up as per usual. Because you guys are always leaving me in the dust. Sometimes the car won't lock for some reason. I got stuck when there's like a bridge and people are crossing and that's only room for one person. But anyway, Nova's outfit of the day is looking cute and she's ready for some photos. Right, Nova? Cutie.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
She wants to go in the water so bad.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I understand that it's cold.
Another week, less than a week, and you'll be able to go to the beach again, I promise. But it's really beautiful here today. There's not too many people checking out the tree, so we've been able to get some photos and just enjoy ourselves with all the crowds.
This is the first time having Nova on the back with the carrier. Let's see if she's over this way. Hi, sweet girl.
Hi.
Are you unsure about this? She's not quite sure, but it feels good. And she can like look around, which is good too. Hey, we're gonna keep walking and see if she likes it.
What's going on.
Yeah, exactly. A little break. A little break.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So we stopped to get these, what are they called? Like pies? Pies. And from Dobin here in Wanaka.
It's famous, award-winning.
Award-winning. Nova's here hanging out. Yeah, enjoying your water?
All right, let's check this out. Whoa, pretty cool. So this is our glamping tent accommodations for the next 2 nights in Lake Tekapo.